Hi guys, this is MTV, and I'm here with the OPPO Reno12, the regular model. Let's see what it's all about. First of all, the price difference. The regular model is priced at €499, while the Pro model is $599. Despite the price difference, you're not getting shortchanged. You're still getting very fast charging with the 80-watt SuperVOOC flash charge. The CPU stays the same with the MediaTek Dimensity 7300, which means it's tailor-made for OPPO for decreased power consumption. There's the brand new ColorOS 14.1 on top of Android 14, and even the screen stays pretty much the same. It's a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED with a 120Hz refresh rate. The Reno 12 5G has the same AI features, but there are some changes in specs. This €499 handset sports a 32-megapixel front camera for selfies, unlike the Pro model, which has a 50-megapixel camera. Another change is the telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom, which has been swapped for a macro camera. Now, let's do a deep dive. People are talking about the AI features here, but before the AI, I want to focus on its core features. There's AI Eraser 2.0, which can enhance your photos by eliminating objects. There's Match Image Matting, which lets you apply stickers and more. There's also Link Boost, which provides strong communication even when the signal is poor or non-existent. For instance, in a subway, two people with similar OPPO Reno phones can talk to each other without a SIM or Wi-Fi. The phone features a 5,000 mAh battery with very fast charging, the previously mentioned CPU, and Gorilla Glass protection. It's Gorilla Glass 5, not Victus 2 like on the Pro model, but still pretty tough. The Astro Silver version looks cute, and I also like the purple one. There's also a promise of 50 months of fluency and a 4-year durable battery. Now I'm going to show you the AI features. We'll start with the main camera, a 50-megapixel main camera with a Sony IMX800 sensor. I've seen a similar sensor on the Realme 12 Pro, if I remember correctly. Plus, there's an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and a 2-megapixel macro camera. The front camera also does 4K filming, which is great for selfies and vlogging. You have panorama, time-lapse, document scanner, high resolution, slow motion, stickers, night mode, macro, dual view, and portrait mode. In portrait mode, you get the AI bokeh flare. The video department has an ultra-steady feature, which applies to full HD videos. There are pro modes with white balance, focus, exposure, saturation, and ISO available. Now, let me show you some AI magic. If you go here and cancel this, you can start removing objects and people. Press Edit, then AI Eraser, and use the Smart Lasso. For example, if I want to remove this flower, it gets recognized and removed, replaced with a generated background. You can also remove people. So if I had a photo with more people, I could use AI Eraser to remove them. It calculates and shows the people it can remove while keeping the core person in the center. After the removal, if there are weird shadows, you can use the Smart Lasso on them. In a nutshell, that's the AI power of the OPPO Reno 12. But there's more. You can open people's eyes in portrait mode, another special AI feature. This is the regular OPPO Reno 12 5G, not the Pro model, but it's still a pretty appealing offer with the same CPU and core experience. I'm talking about AI, of course. Goodbye.